Is there excess glue on your lace? Not to worry. I'll, Here is a video on how to remove excess glue on your lace wig. After installation, most of the stylists they add excess glue on a lace, making it very difficult for you to remove and making it very difficult for you to install it again. So what you would do is just to get a rasp tape comb and just get a rasp tape comb, apply a little glue on the tape comb, then you start placing it on the lace. Once you place it, the comb on the lace will be attracted to the gum on the rasp tape comb, thereby removing the gum little by little. It does not remove immediately. It's something that you exercise patience so you'll be able to remove it. It takes a whole lot of time, but I bet you trust the process because the outcome you are going to love it.